Welcome to the world of Moroccan cuisine, a world where every dish tells a story, and every flavor takes you on a journey. Today, we invite you to embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the vibrant streets and bustling markets of Morocco. Today, we're diving into the heart of it all, the lamb tagine. This iconic dish is a cornerstone of Moroccan cuisine, a true representation of the country's rich culinary heritage. Imagine tender, succulent lamb slow-cooked to perfection with aromatic spices and vibrant vegetables. The lamb tagine is a symphony of flavors, where each ingredient plays its part to create a harmonious and unforgettable dish. This isn't just a dish, it's an experience, a celebration of flavor, and a testament to Morocco's rich culinary heritage. Sharing a lamb tagine with family and friends is a cherished tradition, a way to connect and create lasting memories. Unlike your average stew, the lamb tagine is much more than the sum of its parts. It's a culinary masterpiece that requires patience, skill, and a deep understanding of the ingredients and techniques involved. It's about the slow dance of spices, the gentle simmer that melds flavors, and the anticipation that builds as the aroma fills your kitchen. The process of making a lamb tagine is as rewarding as the final dish itself. While lamb reigns supreme in this tagine, the beauty of Moroccan cuisine lies in its diversity. The tagine pot is a versatile vessel that can be used to create a wide variety of dishes, each with its own unique flavor profile. From chicken to vegetarian options, the possibilities are endless. Each variation offers a new and exciting way to experience the rich and diverse flavors of Moroccan cuisine. Each tagine tells a story, reflecting regional influences and seasonal ingredients. The ingredients used in a tagine can vary greatly depending on the region and the time of year, making each dish a unique and personal expression of Moroccan culture. Join us as we unlock the secrets of this iconic dish, guiding you step by step to create your own authentic Moroccan lamb tagine at home. We'll show you how to select the best ingredients, prepare them with care, and cook them to perfection. Get ready for a culinary adventure that tantalizes your taste buds and transports you straight to the heart of Morocco. With each bite, you'll experience the rich history, vibrant culture, and unparalleled flavors that make Moroccan cuisine so special. So let's get started and unveil the magic of the lamb tagine together. Before we embark on our culinary journey, let's talk about the star of the show, the tagine pot. This unique cooking vessel is as iconic as the dish itself. Imagine a shallow earthenware base topped with a distinctive conical lid. This design isn't just for looks, it's the secret to the tagine's magic. As the ingredients simmer, steam rises up the cone-shaped lid, condenses and then trickles back down, basting the dish and locking in all those incredible flavors. This creates a wonderfully tender and moist result that's simply unmatched by other cooking methods. The tagine pot is more than just cookware, it's a symbol of Moroccan culture and hospitality. Passed down through generations, these pots often hold sentimental value and are proudly displayed in Moroccan homes. The history of tagine is as rich and layered as the dish itself. Dating back centuries, tagine cooking has its roots in ancient Berber traditions. These nomadic people, indigenous to North Africa, utilized the tagine's unique design to create flavorful meals over open fires. Over time, tagine evolved, embracing influences from Arab, Moorish, and Andalusian cultures. Spices like saffron, cumin, and ginger found their way into the mix, adding layers of complexity and fragrance. Today, lamb tagine stands as a testament to this culinary journey, a beloved dish enjoyed by families and celebrated on special occasions. From humble kitchens to bustling marketplaces, the aroma of simmering tagine fills the air, a fragrant reminder of Morocco's enduring culinary legacy. Section 4. Crafting authenticity, gathering your ingredients. Now let's gather the key ingredients that will transform your kitchen into a Moroccan oasis. The magic of Moroccan cuisine lies in its rich and diverse ingredients, each bringing a unique flavor and aroma to the table. Don't worry, you won't need to embark on a spice route expedition. While it might seem like a daunting task to gather all these exotic ingredients, most of them are surprisingly easy to find. Most ingredients are readily available at your local supermarket or specialty store. You might even discover a new favorite spice or ingredient along the way. For our lamb tagine, you'll need tender lamb shoulder or leg, cut into chunks. This is the heart of our dish, providing a rich and succulent base that will soak up all the wonderful flavors. This will be our blank canvas, ready to absorb all the incredible flavors. The quality of the meat is crucial, so make sure to choose the best you can find. Next, we'll be working with a symphony of spices: cumin, coriander, turmeric, ginger, saffron, and a touch of cinnamon. Each spice plays a vital role in creating the complex and layered flavors that Moroccan cuisine is known for. These will add warmth, depth, and that signature Moroccan aroma. The combination of these spices will transport you straight to the bustling markets of Marrakech. To round out our dish, we'll need onions, garlic, tomatoes, and a selection of vibrant vegetables like carrots, zucchini, and perhaps a handful of dried apricots for a touch of sweetness. These ingredients not only add flavor, but also bring a beautiful array of colors to your dish. Remember, this is just a starting point. Feel free to get creative and add your own personal touch with different vegetables or spices. The beauty of Moroccan cooking is its flexibility and the opportunity to make each dish your own. So, gather your ingredients and let's embark on this culinary adventure together. Section 5. Preparing the Feast, a step-by-step guide. With our ingredients prepped and ready, let's begin our culinary adventure. First, we'll marinate the lamb in a fragrant blend of spices, garlic, and olive oil. This step is crucial for infusing the meat with flavor and ensuring it remains tender during the long cooking process. While the lamb marinates, we'll turn our attention to the vegetables. Onions are sliced, garlic is minced, and tomatoes are diced. Carrots and zucchini are cut into bite-sized pieces, ready to add pops of color and texture to our tagine. Remember, the key to an authentic Moroccan tagine lies in the layering of flavors. We'll build our tagine in the pot, starting with the onions and working our way up to the marinated lamb. This slow and deliberate process ensures that each ingredient has its moment to shine, contributing to the overall symphony of flavors. Section 6. The Dance of Flavors: Cooking Your Lamb Tagine. This is where the magic truly happens, where all the preparation and marination come together to create a symphony of flavors. Now comes the magical part: bringing our tagine to life. This is the moment where the ingredients transform into a dish that tells a story of tradition, culture, and the rich culinary heritage of Morocco. Place your tagine pot on the stovetop over medium heat and let the cooking begin. The tagine pot, with its unique conical shape, is designed to circulate steam and keep the ingredients moist, ensuring that every bite is tender and flavorful. As the tagine heats, the onions will soften, releasing their sweetness and creating a flavorful base for the dish. The aroma of the onions cooking will fill your kitchen, setting the stage for the layers of flavors to come. Next, we'll add the marinated lamb, searing it until it develops a beautiful golden brown crust. This step is crucial as it locks in the juices and adds a depth of flavor that is essential to a good tagine. This not only adds visual appeal but also creates layers of complex flavors through the Maillard reaction. The Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives browned food its distinctive flavor. Once the lamb is browned, we'll add the remaining ingredients, nestling the vegetables around the meat. The vegetables will absorb the flavors of the lamb and spices, becoming tender and delicious as they cook. Finally, we'll pour in enough water or broth to cover the ingredients and bring everything to a simmer. Now, patience is key. The liquid will help to meld all the flavors together, creating a rich and savory sauce. Cover the tagine with its distinctive conical lid and reduce the heat to low. The conical lid allows the steam to rise and then condense, dripping back down to keep the dish moist. Allow the tagine to simmer gently for at least 2 to 3 hours, or even longer for a truly melt-in-your-mouth texture. The slow cooking process is what makes the tagine so special, allowing the flavors to develop and intensify over time. This slow cooking allows the flavors to meld and deepen, creating a truly unforgettable culinary experience. The end result is a dish that is rich, complex, and deeply satisfying, a true testament to the art of Moroccan cooking. When the tagine is ready, carefully remove the lid and take in the wonderful aroma. Serve the tagine hot, straight from the pot, with a side of couscous or fresh bread to soak up the delicious sauce. Enjoy your lamb tagine with family and friends, sharing not just a meal but a piece of Moroccan culture and tradition. Each bite is a journey, a celebration of flavors that have been perfected over generations. Remember, the key to a great tagine is patience and love. Take your time, enjoy the process, and let the flavors develop naturally. For those not yet subscribed, I remind you to subscribe to grow our channel and boost my morale to get more healthy exploits. Thanks. Happy cooking.